Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. तो जब the last time I saw you आया तो people started to ask me that how come it's a third book because we have only heard about We Fell Apart and I wrote about it and the last time I saw you. So confidential book नहीं है, ये Amazon पर है. It's The House of Forgotten Rooms. So ये book is, you can say, it's a broader version of We Fell Apart and I Wrote About It because जब We Fell Apart and I Wrote About It आया तो मुझसे बहुत लोग जो उसको पढ़ रहे थे वो उन्होंने मुझसे पूछा कि is it based on a relationship? Is it based on a heartbreak? Yes, it is based on a heartbreak, but it is based on the heartbreak that one experiences after losing a friend through a conflict, not a relationship. मैंने वो सोचकर नहीं लिखा था. So, The House of Forgotten Rooms is basically centered on two female characters, Noor and Meera, जो कि बहुत ही close friends थे. And वो पूरी story एक रूम के बहुत सारे रूम्स के ऊपर बेस्ड है जो कि वो धीरे धीरे भूल गए. तो आई वुड से मच अबाउट इट बट या मेरे लिए फॉर मी friendship has always been more than a word. Okay, the word friendship has always been, it has meant so much to me, and it's been my safe place, it's been my anchor, it's been my reason to smile even on the darkest of days, it just brought a light on my face whenever there was a darkness around me. And when I say friendship, I don't mean just having someone to hang out with. I mean that finding that one single person who becomes the light in your life, okay, and drags you out of that darkness. That's what friends are for, right? The one whom you can call even at 2 a.m. without any hesitation, and you know that they are gonna pick your call. The one who understands your silence, जो आपकी चुप्पी को तुरंत समझ जाए without even needing any explanations. They just read your face and they understand everything. The one who makes you feel like home, and the one you feel that you are never gonna lose. And I had that person. I had my truest friend, I would say. The person I thought who would always walk just beside me, but जिंदगी के कुछ और प्लान्स थे. Slowly, without either of us saying it too loud, we started to drift apart. We got busy in our lives with new friends and we drifted apart. Our conversations turned shorter, it became shorter by shorter. Our laughter was kind of fading into the background, and one day it felt like I was standing alone in that friendship, holding on to that bond which no longer existed. लोग मुझसे बोल रहे थे कि ठीक है, दोस्ती तो है, दोस्ती तो खोया है, कोई बात नहीं, और दोस्त बना लेना. अभी तो बहुत इनिशियल स्टेज है तुम्हारे लाइफ का, बट trust me, losing a friend is even worse than a heartbreak. Losing a friend makes you leave that, it makes you doubt yourself whether you were capable to be the friend या तुम में कोई कमी थी, and it makes you doubt everyone around you who then tries to get close to you. It's the kind that changes your vision of seeing the people and then yourself. You just stop trusting everyone, and that's what happened with me. I stopped believing in friendships after that. I stopped believing, trusting people, and I said I won't trust again. I won't make a friend again. I just won't. But honestly, deep down, I was trying to protect my heart from breaking again by saying this. So that's when the House of Forgotten Room was born and it began to take a shape. I imagined a house. Not just a house, but One which was built with the fragments of memories, with pain, with silence, with friendship, broken friendship. So there are rooms in this house: the bedroom, the bathroom, the kitchen, the attic, the hallway, and each single room in this house, it tells you a different part of the story of the two central characters, Noor and Meera. The entrance, where the hope still lingers and where the friendships began. And you feel that this connection is gonna last forever. Slowly, let's jump to the bedroom. The bedroom where secrets are whispered under the blanket of trust, and you feel safe enough to be your most vulnerable self. Okay, you just let out everything, a very raw feeling. Next comes the kitchen, where the laughter, it uh, simmers like a pot on the stove, and the warmth just fills the air like shared cups of coffee on rainy days, या फिर hot chocolate. Next comes the basement, where the arguments, the misunderstandings, the unspoken words, they are stored, and they are gradually growing heavier with the time, and you can't ignore them anymore. Next comes the attic, that is the storeroom, where the old memories have gathered into dust, but you can't bring yourself to throw them away, and you don't want to throw them away even when they hurt you when you look at them, but you still don't want to throw it because those are memories. And it's a human nature not to throw away memories. जितना भी चाहते हैं ना, उसको पकड़ के रखने का मन करता है. Finally, the exit, the place where you walk away, but you leave a part of yourself behind. That's what happened with Noor and Meera. When I started to write this book, I felt like I was walking over the house again and again. I was walking through the house over and over again. I was walking through the kitchen, the attic, the bedroom, the storeroom, the hallway. I was torching the walls, I was opening the doors, and I was facing the ghost of a friendship that I once believed would last forever. And that's when I actually started to understand that forevers don't exist. You know, the House of Forgotten Rooms is not just my story, okay? It's for anyone out there who has loved a friend too deeply and then ended up losing them and then felt like losing a part of your soul. It's for anyone who has stood at the exit door of their own house of memories. Even I have that memory in my head still, and I miss it. You know, it's for anyone who is standing there at the exit gate and wondering how something which was so beautiful could break so easily. You know, it's not easy losing a friend. People say that रिलेशनशिप्स जब दूर जाते हैं तो बहुत दर्द होता है. दोस्त जब दूर जाते हैं ना, तो ऐसा लगता है कि दिल को किसी ने खींच के तोड़ दिया है. So guys, if you have ever trusted and been let down, if you have ever loved and lost gradually, if you have ever had a best friend who now became a stranger, you will see yourself in the House of Forgotten Rooms. And maybe, just maybe, you will Find the courage to walk through your own forgotten house, one room at a time. You should take it slowly, slowly. Bye.